You know we got plenty still. Look, but let me run. Fuck if it rain, let that pussy bang, get a nigga pick. Get his gang, gon' let that get his sang and put him on this shit. Speak on my name, but I'm sending flame. Better get you a stick. I invested in ARP, shit 2 to 3 to 5, 5, 6. Squeeze triggers, what I trust to make these pussy niggas bleed. Let it bust, bitches a must, I leave it flushed out on the scene. On a mission, like go step and spray this bitch's child team. They say black burner cartel for the graveyard frame. There ain't no bitch that I can trust, they gon' fuck soon as I leave. Had to realize it ain't no love in these streets, so I'ma let you be. Dirty drink in my double cup, I'm steady sipping lean. I can't let these bitches get the best of me. Trending tired, but we got options. Pussy bitch, how you wanna do it? Ain't no stopping, she'll drive it, tryna stick them bullets to him. Gangs poppin', niggas stoppin', tryna let them bullets to him. My burners, they be wildin' out, they knockin' to him. Come on, all in this shit, no, I don't fall for these bitches. Stab me in my bait, nigga got about 100 something stitches. Everything I speak is fake. Real shit, you gotta let you know it ain't no coming back after you burn. All I breaking in the crowd, get outside and bust them up. For that nigga talking loud, gon' show that we push it up and really leave niggas stuck. All the breathe, can't get up, drop to the knee, that gets bucked. Steady coming, fuck the peace, I'm tryna turn my get to the rain. Let this pussy bang, get a nigga pick. Get this gang, gon' let they get this sang and put them on this shit. Speak on my name, but I'm sending flame, better get you a stick. I invested in ARP, shit 2 to 3 to 5, 5, 6. Squeezing triggers, what I trust to make these pussy niggas bleed. Let it bust, bitches a must, I leave it flushed till I'm a scene. On a mission, I go step and spray this bitch's child teen. They say black burner cartel for the graveyard fame. That I been on my trail, if I spin I can't go to jail under pressure. Niggas gon' tell, ain't no backing down, I don't feel the Glock 26 on jammer against. Could get you blind, pillow talk, go get you slack. My strap and post on the ground. That I been on my trail, if I spin I can't go to jail under pressure. Niggas gon' tell, ain't no backing down, I don't feel the Glock 26 on jammer against. Could get you blind, pillow talk, go get you slack. My strap and post on the ground.
Tenvultures in this bitch, and I ain't never ran from no nigga. I'm tryna off him in this click, till the bitch get off my dick. Fall off him in this bitch, You know, free tough, free them game, baby. You know, my cartel, nigga. You know, ain't no running on the 10, on the Mitch, on the dude, on the jeans. They left that nigga stuck.
I keep my two like on Ricky fucking construction. Back for that ass can't even walk with all this motherfucking crutch. Whoa, there you made a diss and now your whole family in trouble. Can't wait to catch that candle, put ass in the baby butter bubble. Whoa, there the brother bang had a 5.7 with them coppers, but I don't like them 5.7s. I don't know, it's just something about them. Whoa, there I got a K. I bet this bitch gonna suck my powder, gonna kill me cuts in the Glock as the bitch under the fault. Look. Posted with 29 words about T-shirt at my favorite spot. Big brother know it's in me. He like Choppy tryna slide or not. That black girl had him dancing, but I'm heated cause the bitch ain't down. The streets just get grimy. I won't let them niggas slime out. Go check the stack, that gang get active in the time of the day. That nigga high ain't same shit the day we stomped his fucking face. But get on last on like you with it. I'm talking about that nigga Kate. They kill my brothers, I see red, I'm still spinning to this day. And I say it's a cold world, you won't make it out your bare week. A nigga kill dog, go catch the snack, that's the rule of the streets. Remember coming up inside the house and had too much to eat. Don't know about you, but Lord knows, bitch, I love EBT.